Today we're looking at the Wiggle Blades Trapper. We have it in two-handed materials. We have a black saw cut texture G10. And then we also have it in a brown bone. These turned out really well. I think some of the best fit and finish you can find for this price point. Closed, it is 4 inches long closed. The blades are 3¼ inches each. So nice big blades. You can see in comparison to the medium Stockman, it's a much bigger knife in general, a lot more steel. We have, of course, AG's sharpening trail here. That way your edge is sharpened all the way to the very heel. We have a wider tang, so when it shuts, the tang hits before the blade. Previous models of this were using a 7CR stainless steel. We've upgraded it to an 8CR 13MOV stainless steel, so you get better edge retention. Longer lasting edge is always a good thing, so a nice upgrade there. That is the clip point blade, and then here is the spey blade. We have a medium pull on both of those. Also 3¼ inches long. And there you have it, the Wiggle Blades Trapper.